Hello friends, today we are going to make this bun pizza.
Okay.
So first we need to cut some bread pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to make 4, and then you have to spread the sauce inside the like this. And then this is garlic, butter, and what?
Yeah, how you made the garlic butter at home?
With homemade, like butter, garlic, and
Herbs. Okay.
And these are vegetables. This is onion, this is capsicum, and this is yellow capsicum.
Okay. So you applied the sauce, right?
Yeah,
So what is
I
the next?
applied the sauce.
Now next step you will apply.
Yeah, we have to spread the this one inside.
This is what? Garlic butter.
Garlic butter.
Uh,
So we take some paste and we put it over here, and then we spread it up in the sauce. Mix it with the sauce nicely with a spoon or with a knife. If you have a knife, you can do it with small anything. You like knives, spoon, and anything, fork or anything. Now I'm not going to do it with, and now I'm going to do it with the knife. But tell your mother to be careful. If you have to hold from here, from back, so you don't get hurt. So then you put it and spread it. Spread it. Now it's over here.
Do you like pizza?
Yeah, I love pizza.
Hmm?
I love pizza.
So this pizza you are making it for me and mama. Then what you will eat, Shardul?
Oh, I'm sharing it with my mother. Because this is not non-vegetarian, because my mother was veg. So you're not making non-vegetarian.
How to make non-vegetarian pizza then?
Pizzas, huh? Only cheese on it, not peas, chicken pizza. Only like chicken nuggets and everything. But now we are not making it. Next time in that video we will make chicken, okay? But today we will make it for my mother because she loves non-veg. So we make it for her. Like that. Don't be sad. I'll get. We'll do it next in the next week video, okay?
But I like non-vegetarian pizza.
But still, we will get, or else we will make it tomorrow chicken if you want. I already put the oil. This is gas, so I will not do it. I'm very small, so my mother will do it. We will put this bun inside and put these seeds in it. Then for 5 minutes you'll wait, and the food will be ready. Then I will show you.
mozzarella cheese will put.
Mozzarella